Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So guys, I was looking for a lip palette or else a lipstick which has a palette which has different shades, and it's become so difficult to carry all your lipstick shades, especially when you're traveling from office and you want to go to like a party or to meet your friends. You need to change your lipstick to change your look. So I have this perfect palette, and this is by Nykaa. This is Sealed with a Kiss lip palette. So this palette has like different shades. I'm going to open this and show it to you now. So this is what it looks like, and it has about 6 shades. And I like this palette especially. This palette is called Bold and Beautiful, and they have 6 shades. So this is, you have like your red lips, you have your peach, you have your nude color, you have pink. So all of these colors in this one palette. So you can just carry this, and whenever you feel like changing a lipstick, you can just change it. So I'm going to show all these shades. I'm going to apply it on my lips now. And we're going to start with this shade right here, this one. So there are no name of the shades which are mentioned here. So I'm going to start with this. This is more like a brownish color, this one. So I'm going to use this to apply the lipstick. So guys, I'm done with applying the first shade, which is this one. It's really like a nude shade. You can't see much of a difference. It's just like your lip color, a bit darker than your lip color, which is really nice if you're looking for something really simple. I think this color is really nice. So now I'm going to try the second shade, which is this one. So I'm going to try this shade. So guys, this is the second shade here, which is slightly darker than the first one, but it has like a pinkish tone to it. So this could be like your office wear lipstick. Now moving on to my third one. So this is the third shade that I'm going to try. So this is the third shade. It's a mix of peach and pink together. Nice and light. This is also a really nice shade. This is also like a daily wear shade. Now moving on to the fourth one. So this is the fourth shade. So guys, we've tried this shade. It's a slightly light wineish color, and this is one of my favorite shades in this palette. I think it's really nice. Now I'm going to try the fifth one, which is like a neonish pink color. So let's try this one. So guys, this is the neonish pink, which will give you that pop of color, which is really nice. And if you're wearing a really simple outfit, you can wear this color just to, give that hint, that pop. Now we are moving on to the last one, and which is my favorite, it's the red color. So let's try this red shade now. So guys, I'm done with applying all the shades from this Nykaa palette. I think the shades were really nice, and this is semi matte. It won't be really matte or very glossy, so it's a really nice consistency, and the texture is also very nice. It's well pigmented. The lipsticks are very nice, plus it has vitamin E, so it will nourish your lips. And the only problem I faced with this palette is the brush. I think it's really small, so you might need to take another brush to apply it. The application will be really fast. So guys, this was my Nykaa palette, and I really enjoyed applying all the lipsticks, and the colors were great. So guys, if you have any more product reviews that you want me to do, and if you have any more questions, any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more makeup looks, and for more skincare, keep watching Foxy, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I will see you later guys. Bye.